Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on TLM. As in my earlier videos of TLM, I have been showing you that it broke out a very big falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now if you take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price end was moving very well above this uptrend line support. You can see that we had a bounce here, another bounce here, a few more touch points here, and finally we have broken it down. And now this uptrend line resistance support can work as a resistance for the price line. And recently on the daily time frame chart, you can see that the price line has formed another falling wedge pattern. By the way, this is also a quite long-term falling wedge pattern now because the price line was entered inside this wedge here on in the month of Feb 2024. You can see that we had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, another bounce, and this was another rejection. Despite this long spike, the price line could not break it out. Then we had another rejection, and now the price has reached very close to the resistance of this falling wedge pattern once again. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for TLM that I shared almost 3 days ago with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 22% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for TLM that I shared almost 3 days ago with my members, and that is a harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that TLM was completing on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair, and this was the complete trade signal, the buying on and sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down and just entered the buying zone here. And then we had a very, very nice reversal. And so far, it is pumped almost 22%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of TLM, and here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several weeks or months, it is moving inside this wedge since after the month of Feb 2024. And you can see that we had a powerful spike here, but could not break it out. And same such kind of another spike we had here as well, but could not break it out. Once again, we got rejection, and now the pricing is still trying to break it out. And once again, reached very close to the resistance of the wedge. And this time slightly higher than the resistance, we will have another quite long-term resistance of 1.2 cents as well. That is slightly higher than the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this 1.2 cents has been previously working as a support here and resistance here and support here. Therefore, it can be a key resistance in order to continue a very massive rally to the upside even after breaking out this falling wedge pattern. However, if the price breaks out the wedge, then technical target to the upside will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 3.5 cents. And by the way, here we also have a key support at $0.009. That is also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern. You can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after that, we had a nice short rally, but the price was rejected by this resistance of 3.5 cents. That is, by the way, also the target for the breakout from this recent falling wedge pattern breakout. Once the price will be able to break out this smaller falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, then technical target will be here at this resistance of 3.5 cents. And it has been working as a resistance here. And for several weeks, it has been working as a resistance here as well. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, that long-term target is here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 80 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.